you someone who's looking forward to lose weight and leaning in towards intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is basically a pattern where you can eat only twice a day and work on a 16-hour fasting cycle. When you follow intermittent fasting, there are no restrictions as such when it comes to what you should eat and what not. But let me tell you today, the benefits will be bigger and better if you add these certain items to your diet. Now, what are these items? Watch this video to find out.
Green veggies. Food items like broccoli, sprouts, cauliflower are full of fiber, and when you eat after a certain interval, it's crucial to eat fiber-rich foods in order to maintain your energy levels and even smoothen the digestion process. Beans and legumes. Adding some amount of carbs becomes vital when on intermittent diet, and low-calorie carbs are just an add-on. Beans and legumes fits perfectly well here. Things like these can keep you filled up for a longer duration. Nuts. Nuts can be one of the healthiest snacks possible. You can add it to either of your meals. Nuts are full of good fats and carbs, hence they are very filling. It can help reduce your hunger, especially walnuts can be your best bet. Berries. Berries are typically packed with fibers, vitamins, minerals and nutrients and are also low on calories. Hence, a perfect choice to add to your fasting regime. Whole grains. Whole grains are full of proteins and fibers, so consuming even small portion of whole grains will leave you full for a longer duration and can also make your body active and efficient. You can go for brown rice, oats, barley and so much more.
Well, I hope this helps. Add these items to your diet and let us know your experience. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay fit.